In this video, I will show you how to make this basic crochet skirt for your dolls. You can make it in any length you want. If you want to make these tops, I will leave you the links down below. And also in the next video, I will show you how to make an easy matching to this skirt top. So subscribe because you don't want to miss it. Let's get started. To make this skirt, I will use 3 skeins of embroidery thread, but obviously you can use super fine yarn, 2.5 millimeters crochet hook, scissors and needle, and also a small elastic band. Mine is about 1 inch, so 2.5 centimeters of diameter. Start making a slip knot. And make a chain of 36. Here we go, my chain of 36. And now I will insert my hook into the first chain I've made. So here. And I will make a slip stitch. Okay, so here we have this ring. Now chain 1, and we will work with single crochet. So place your hook into the same chain you made this slip stitch and make your first single crochet. Go to the next space and also make a single crochet. I will try to hide a little bit this tail. And just work like this, making 1 single crochet in each chain to the end. I recommend you to count stitches, so you will have a total again of 36 stitches. So keep working your single crochets, and in a moment I will show you how it looks like. I'm coming to the end. This is my stitch number 35. And here I have my last one, number 36. This is what I have. And now I will insert my hook into the first single crochet I've made. Okay. Yeah. And I will make a slip stitch. Now I will chain 1, and this is important, I will turn my work. And now this first place was our slip stitch, so we will start here from this place. Again, we will work a round of 36 single crochet. So I recommend you to count your stitches, especially if you are not used to turn your work, if you usually make amigurumis or you don't work in rounds. So again, here round number 2, 36 single crochets. And after this round, I will show you what to do next. I'm finishing round number 2. I made my stitch number 33. Now this is 34, 35, and 36. As I said, count the stitches because sometimes it's quite tricky when you turn your rounds. Okay, and now I will look for my first single crochet of this round, and again I will make a slip stitch. So this is what we have already. Now again, chain 1 and turn your work. And now, as I said, this first place here was your was your slip stitch, so we will start here from this place. This will be our first or last single crochet of previous round. Here again we will start making our single crochets. We have single crochet number 1, 2, and this is whole pattern. So I will show you once again how to finish this round number 3. So keep going, making 1 single crochet in each stitch, and we'll see in a moment. I'm just making my single crochet number 35, and this one will be 36 of this 3rd round. Once again, look for the first single crochet of this round and make a slip stitch. Chain 1, turn your work, and start from this place. Okay, and we will make exactly the same, so rounds of 36 single crochets until desired length. In my case, I will make 19 rounds. So the length depends on you. If you want to make the same length of my skirt, I made a very mini skirt, so make 19 rounds. And after round number 19, in my case, I will show you how it looks like and what to do next. Obviously, as kinds of embroidery thread are really short, so I have to attach new yarn. I will just make here a knot. Okay, later I will cut these ends and I will keep my knots on the left side. So I will just keep working. I've just finished my round number 19. This is what I have. As you can see, I attached new yarn twice. And now I made my last slip stitch, and here again I will chain 1, but this time I will not turn my work. So I will stay here. I will insert my hook here into the first stitch where I made a slip stitch, and this time I will make 1 round of slip stitches. Again, I made 19 rounds for a mini skirt. If you want to make your skirt longer, feel free to add as many rounds as you need, but I recommend you to stop always after the odd number. So this one finished with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, and after your last round you will repeat exactly the same what I'm making right now. So 1 round of slip stitches to have a nice edge. So just grab your yarn and start to make slip stitches in every stitch to have again a total of 36 stitches. Make your first one quite loose because later we will make a slip stitch inside it to finish our work. So keep making 36 slip stitches all over, and in a moment I will show you what to do next. Here we go, and in the end insert your hook into this first slip stitch you made and make again 1 slip stitch to connect. Okay, and here I will just chain 1 and cut the yarn. I will weave in it later. Okay, so this is what I have. I can flip it now. So this is the bottom part we've already made, and now we will work on the waist. So again, take your yarn, make a slip knot, and we will take our skirt and we will look for this seam, and on the top in this beginning chain we made, insert your hook into the first stitch, we will attach the yarn, and I will make chain 1 to secure it. Now I will insert my hook into the same place, so here, and I will work hiding this tail inside a little bit, and grab your elastic band. Put your elastic on the hook like this, okay, like this, and make a single crochet. So you just closed your elastic inside. I will show you one more time. Insert your hook into the next space grab your yarn and make a single crochet. And we will work like this, hiding this elastic band inside our work all over. So again, you will make a total of 36 stitches. So keep going, and in a moment our skirt will be ready. I'm making my last single crochet through the elastic band. Here we go. Now we will enter here into the first stitch, make a slip stitch, chain one to secure it, and cut the yarn. This is how it looks like. Now it's time to weave in all the ends, and our basic crochet skirt is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more tutorials for Barbie dolls, and see you next time.